Hi everyone. Today I will guide you how to do our breathing chest allergy in the early morning. This practice, please take note, we only do when we empty stomach or early morning if you eat at least 2 hours. Then, for beginner, you can put your hand on the stomach and one hand palm up to feel your breathe in, raise up your stomach and breathe out, flattening it. Since first round, you can just slowly practice this for you feel the sequence first. Breathe in, you can see my stomach raise up and breathe out, flattening it. And after a while, you used to it already. Now we start the session. We have a 3 set and 1 set is 108 times. So you count from your heart. Deep inhale. After 108 times already, and you try to breathe normal. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. And try to practice it 2 more rounds. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Yes, when you start, you just try to breathe it slowly, and after you used to it already 3 rounds, count from the heart 108 times. After end 3 rounds and you already start. Can start any exercise you want. Yes. You can sit on the diamond seat or L. If you feel more comfortable, too much stretching here, you can sit on the normal like this. I guide you in 2 ways. Now one more time. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. After complete 108 times already, you just try breathe in and breathe out. Sometimes when you start, you feel a little bit tired, but it's okay. Keep continue and try to breathe the same rhythm. Same rhythm. Yeah, keep practice. Every day you will improve, have a different. If you have a block, you just sit on the block. Like this. And cross your, put the knee down. And lengthening, drop the shoulder behind and try. If you don't have block, it's fine. You can sit on the pillow, it's the same thing. Okay, I just sample for you see. From here, keep deep inhale, keep deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try to focus in your breathing. And now you feel, if you do correct way, you feel the tummy all hot inside. Yes, gently open your eyes. Put together, try to crease in, zip up, draw in your core. Hand go to prayer posture. Inhale, hand up, look up, same someone pull you up the ceiling and crease your back, bend back. Exhale, forward fold from here. If you forward fold, you too narrow, you can just put your hand here and straighten your spine. And if you can, drop all the way down, touch your mat. If you feel too much, broaden your back, bend your knee. If you can straighten, it's great. Now step right foot back, look in front, left foot back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Try to press and open the chest more, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, look up in front between the two hands. Exhale, left foot back, forward fold. Head touch the toe. Inhale, hand up, look up. Bend back, crease it in, prayer posture. And now we do the left side to balance it. Inhale, hand up, look up, send someone pull you up the ceiling, crease in your back and bend back. Exhale, forward fold. If you can not touch the floor, it's okay. Little bit bend your knee. And inhale, step left foot back. Exhale, right foot back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Open more the chest and draw in the core, look up the ceiling. Exhale, downward facing dog. Try to press it in down, open more the chest. Inhale, step the left foot in front. Exhale. When left foot in front, try don't rest on chest on the knee. Exhale, right foot in front. Forward fold. Inhale. Hand up, look up, bend back. Prayer posture. Yes. After like this, it completes one round. We try to do it at least 3 rounds in early morning when your stomach empty. And after you do done already, try to lie down on the mat and take some short breath. You can drop your hand, shoulder level, turn your knee left to right, right to left. And straighten your legs, straighten your hand beside your body. That deep inhale, deep exhale. When you inhale, try to raise up the stomach. And when you exhale, try to flatten it. Inhale, raise up the stomach. Exhale, flatten it. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, flatten it. And that totally relax. Focus in your breathing. Bring your tension flow away from your body. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax your toe, relax your foot, your knee, your thigh, your stomach, your chest, the shoulder, your neck, your mouth. Relax your lip, relax your teeth, relax your nose, relax your eyes, relax your eyebrow, relax your forehead, relax your ear, relax your finger, relax your whole body from head to toe. Just focus in your breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now you feel very calm. You feel very heavy and you feel very relaxed. Now with deep inhale, bring your hand over the head. Enjoy the deep stretching here. And exhale, draw it out. Turn the body to the right side with the hands support. Sit back the prayer posture. The eyes still closed. Hand go to prayer posture or can palm up your knee. Sit nice and long, drop your shoulder behind. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now bring your palm together, chin to the chest. Namaste everyone. And grab your hand. Bring your hand to your eyes. Make some warm the cup of the warm to the eyes. Some warm to your face, your neck, your shoulder, your chest, and your lower back. Hand to prayer posture, chin to the chest. Namaste everyone. And gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us to see more videos. We have a lot of videos to help grow skin, help you release the old, how to the tension from the shoulder, low back pain, or else you can improve how to toxic your liver, kidney, and boost it stronger. Thank you very much.